welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So a while back we fitted the Scorched Parts mudguards to the slash, and we got a bit of snow. So what better chance to take them out and see if they do keep the crap out the car. So we've got a 8000 mAh Z battery. I've swapped the connectors to EC5s just because it makes it more convenient. And let's get this thing out in snow. See if these mudguards work. Yeah, these tyres definitely not best in snow. Right, so I've been wreaking havoc with it for a good half hour, and it's well and truly absolutely covered. Yeah, got rid of a bit of snow for us, but that's the LVC cutting. So let's get this in car and in house and see what state it's in. So it's got quite a lot of crap splattered all over it. So we'll try and get some of this carefully knocked off and see how much has ended up in car. Right, we'll get the clips off and have a look how absolutely covered in crap it is. See if these mudguards actually work. I think that I'll class that as a resounding success. No snow and crap around all my fans or anything. There's definitely plenty of snow and crap piled up outside the mudguards. So yeah, so these Scorched Parts mudguards for the Slash 4x4, definite thumbs up. Certainly what you need if you're going to be playing with them in winter. Well, thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys again next time.